Hi viewers, welcome to my classroom. Today's topic, tenses part 6, and in this video you are going to learn about the future tense. Let us move to the class. The future tense. Let us see the definition. The action which will happen or takes place in the future time is called future tense. The action which will happen or takes place in the future time is called future tense. In this tense, we use helping verb shall or will along with the base verb, that is main verb. Normally, shall is used with I and we. Will is used with he, she, it, you and they. There is hardly any difference between shall and will, and normally will is used with all. Hope you understand. Let us see types of future tense. There are 4 types. First one, simple future tense. We also call it future indefinite. Second one, future continuous tense. We also call it future progressive tense. Third one, future perfect tense. Fourth one, future perfect continuous tense. We also call it future perfect progressive tense. Hope you followed. Let us focus attention on simple future tense. In the following conditions, we use this tense. Simple future tense is used to express an action which is likely to happen in future. An action which is likely to happen in future. An action which is going to happen in future. An action which is about to happen in future. Hope you followed. What is the formula? Formula is subject plus shall or will plus verb, main verb. See the examples. He will play tennis tomorrow. Tomorrow in future, will play is the verb. She will write the exam next week. Next week, showing future. So the verb is will write. It will rain tomorrow. Tomorrow, showing future. Will rain is the verb. They will play cricket in that field on Sunday. It's going to happen on Sunday. So the verb is will play. We shall go to the cinema tonight. Going to happen tonight. So the verb is shall go. The verb is shall go. Hope you followed. Let us see a few more examples on simple future tense. See the first one. I shall complete my assignment on Monday. The action is going to happen on Monday in future. So the verb is shall complete. Samir will come to Hyderabad next month. Action is going to take place next month. So the verb is will come. They will make a call in the evening. Action is going to take place in the evening. The verb is will make. You will shop at the market tomorrow. Action is going to take place tomorrow in future. Verb is will shop. Monica will watch a movie in multiplex tonight. Action is going to take place tonight in future. Verb is will watch. David will give his presentation on Sunday. The action is going to take place on Sunday in future. The verb is will give. I shall wash my clothes in the evening. Action is going to take place in the evening. Verb is shall wash. Raihan will attend the general body meeting next Friday. Action is going to take place next Friday. The verb is will attend. Hope you followed. Let us pay attention on the second form of future tense. The future continuous tense. In the following conditions, we use this tense. Let us see the definition. The future continuous tense represents a continuous action or an ongoing action that will occur in future. A continuous action or an ongoing action that will occur in future. Let us see the formula. Subject plus shall be or will be plus verbing form. Let us see the examples. Karan will be leaving for Chennai by this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, what action will be going on? Karan will be leaving for Chennai. Hope you followed. Will be leaving by this time tomorrow. The patient will be taking rest by the time the doctor arrives. By the time the doctor arrives in future, what action will be going on? The patient will be taking rest. Will be taking rest. Bharat will be revising his lessons tomorrow at this time. Tomorrow at this time, what action will be going on? Bharat will be revising his lessons. Will be revising his lessons. They will be completing their workshop by the end of October. By the end of October in future, what action will be going on? They will be completing their workshop. Will be completing their workshop. He will be visiting his friends this time next week. This time next week in future, what action will be going on? He will be visiting his friends. Will be visiting. Hope you followed. Let us move to the third form of future tense. Future perfect tense. Formula: subject plus shall have or will have plus past participle verb. Subject plus shall have or will have plus past participle verb. Let us see its use. Future perfect tense is used to indicate the actions which are expected to be completed by a certain time in future. The actions which are expected to be completed by a certain time in future. The actions which are going to be completed by a certain time in future. The actions which are about to be completed by a certain time in future. Hope you followed. It is used with shall have or will have with past participle verb. Examples: Sandeep will have completed his project work by the end of this month. By the end of this month, what action will have taken place? Sandeep will have completed his project work. Hope you followed. The film will have started by the time we reach the theatre. By the time we reach the theatre, what action will have taken place? The film will have started. Rekha will have revised her lessons by next week. By next week, what action will have taken place? Rekha will have revised her lessons. They will have reached home by this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, what action will have taken place? They will have reached home. Verb is will have reached. Hope you followed. Let us pay attention on the fourth form of future tense. The future perfect continuous tense. Formula: subject plus shall have been or will have been plus verbing form. Let us see the definition of it. It is used to express an action that will have been going on at or before some point of time or period of time in the future. An action that will have been going on at or before some point of time or period of time in the future. So for point of time and period of time, we use since or for. Since is used for point of time. For is used for period of time. Hope you followed. Examples. She will have been waiting for her mother for 3 hours. For 3 hours in future, what action will have been going on? What action will have been going on for 3 hours in future? Let us see here. She will have been waiting for her mother. Will have been waiting for her mother. They will have been playing tennis since 8 a.m. Since 8 a.m. in future. What action will have been going on? They will have been playing tennis. Will have been playing. My mom will have been cooking for 3 hours. For 3 hours in future. What action will have been going on? My mom will have been cooking. The children will have been flying kites since 4 p.m. Since 4 p.m. in future. What action will have been going on? The children will have been flying kites. Hope you followed. Extra examples for future perfect continuous tense. First one. The baby will have been sleeping for 2 hours. For 2 hours, what action will have been going on in future? The baby will have been sleeping. Suraj will have been singing on the stage before you join him. Before you join him in future, what action will have been going on stage? Suraj will have been singing. My friends will have been arranging all the necessary materials before the program starts. Before the program starts, what action will have been going on? My friends will have been arranging all necessary materials. My sister will have been shopping in the market before we reach home. Before we reach home in future, what action will have been going on in the market? My sister will have been shopping. We will have been watching a movie in the Cineplex before you join us. Before you join us in future, what action will have been going on? We will have been watching a movie in the Cineplex. Manoj will have been referring the books in the library before he comes to the class. Before he comes to the class in future, what action will have been going on? Manoj will have been referring the books in the library. Hope you followed. And that's all, viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.